Hello, I'm Brian Barr. I'm the president of CAT, California Audio Technology, and often we talk about the custom audio that we're building out of the stainless steels, the aluminums, the carbon fibers, the concretes, the MBX 105 materials, are custom drivers for these environments like we talked about, for the aircraft, the yachts, the interiors, the exteriors, the top recording studios, the home theaters, even if it's a 160-seat theater at Raleigh Studios, which was originally started with Charlie Chaplin in 1916. But when we start talking about these exotic materials, not only can they be water resistant or waterproof, but they're going to need power. We need to deliver that level of horsepower so that we can allow the designers and the architects and the discerning clients to cover our fabrics with very impermeable things that otherwise could not be used in audio. Fabrics as thick as my sports coat, or horsehair, or milled out aluminums and hardwoods, or perforated leathers that normally audio people would have to say no to those clients. And now we say yes because we can deliver the level of power with our custom audio equipment through those fabrics, through those materials, and then recalibrate them in that environment to get the accuracy of the top studios. To do that, we need to have unbelievable amplifier power. So not only do we believe in delivering cost value-oriented loudspeakers and components, but we need to be able to deliver that level of horsepower to those environments. And we cannot take too much power out of the wall because that wall might be on a yacht, it might be in a sky-rise building, it might be in an aircraft. So we have to develop amplifiers that not only are the #1 in the world as far as quality and speed. Speed is something that's rarely talked about. These amplifiers actually push and pull. It's called fully differential output, which is a technical term. But essentially, if I play back through this level of amplifier, that subwoofer that would normally go boom, now goes just like the speed of a kick drum. It's all about speed. It's about speed whether you're racing cars, lightweight mountain bikes, or road bikes, whether or not you're racing sailing yachts or you're designing a golf club to be lightweight. We need to be able to deliver these level of components, these level of accuracies with speed, but take very little power out of the wall, which means our amplifiers have to be able to store that power. So essentially it's like taking a little stream out of the wall and storing it into a big reservoir, a big lake that can deliver that power on demand without taking too much power from the wall, especially on the yachts and the aircraft where they go from shore power to onboard generator power. There's huge fluctuations. In sky-rise buildings, there's huge fluctuations. So our amplifiers, again, take that little bit of stream of current, store it, and release it when it's necessary. They dissipate heat, they're protected from voltage swings and different levels of high and level low amperage current. So when these clients divide their entire system up on how many amplifiers they need, we engineer every amplifier for every driver and give them a system that not only exceeds anything in audio quality and clarity and speed, but we give them absolute value and equally as important, reliability. These systems go on for 5, 6, 7, 8 years without even needing to be serviced once. It's unbelievable, value-oriented engineering approach from the beginning to the end. What we say a soup to nuts solution, regardless of the project.